I'd like to start this video off by saying I am not a financial advisor. Should you choose to invest in Bitcoin or any other asset, do your own research or seek the advice of an actual financial advisor. I gotta make this quick because I don't have a lot of time. Now, as you all know, yesterday we did have a decent pump with Bitcoin and basically every other asset out there. The regular stock market has seen a pump yesterday, and I think that was because of the Feds injecting liquidity into the market, which is nothing new. But whether that holds and actually causes this to go further up, that remains to be seen. With the coronavirus still out there, yes, I know a lot of people are not wanting to say coronavirus out of fear of demonetization. I'm not monetized, so coronavirus. Anyways, with that being said, it depends on what happens with that virus, and I mean, there's many other factors into it. I mean, you got to look into technicals and everything like that. But right now, I'm just going to focus on Bitcoin. Bitcoin broke above the 200 daily moving average, and it did seem to find support on the 200 daily moving average with today's candle. It is 3 o'clock in the morning where I'm at, and I am in the eastern United States. So this candle did just open like 3 hours ago. Now, where we could go from here. First off, let me bring this up. Bitcoin, when Bitcoin did pump, it got rejected off the bottom of this bull flag up here, so of course the price went down. But the price got supported off the 200 daily moving average. So as you can see, Bitcoin's price is trapped. It's trapped between a resistance and a support. So it can only bounce around in here for so long before it has to break out. Personally, I think it's going to break out in the upwards direction unless there's a major negative catalyst. Once again, that depends on the virus, what happens with that. Yeah, that just remains to be seen. Just be careful. If you're dollar cost averaging, this is a good price to be buying in. Whether you bought in right here or where we're currently at right now. Yes, we could drop, and like I said, I don't see us going any further than 8.2K. That remains. Yeah, that I've been saying that for a couple days now, and it's still as far as I can see that going down. But more than likely, I see us breaking in the upwards direction. The stochastic RSI has been oversold for the longest time now, and the daily MACD, the daily MACD is starting to converge bullish, and if we can continue up from here, it will cross bullish. Now, granted, it could end up pulling another one of these where it looked like it was gonna converge bullish, but then it dropped and went back straight bearish again. But yeah, you're just gonna have to keep an eye on this. Robinhood users. Robinhood was down for the entire trading day yesterday. Robinhood is still fairly new as far as trading platforms go. It's a new company. It's a couple years old, I think. So yes, there's going to be problems here and there. You're going to have to get used to it. It's a new company. With any new business, there's always going to be problems when starting out. Even in a couple years in, maybe even as far as 10, 20 years in, there's always going to be. I mean, it's not always. There's always going to be the possibility that a problem happens. It's a risky take with anything. It doesn't make it a bad company or anything like that. I still believe Robinhood is a great trading app. I'm still using it despite the fact that it broke down yesterday. As long the company's ability to learn from shit like this and prevent it from happening in the future. That's what it's all about. It's not whether they can. There's no company out there that can prevent every single problem from happening. There's always a chance that something can happen. It just what basically happened yesterday is it had an outage. I had orders over the weekend that I had placed, and they were buy orders for the yesterday morning, and they did go through. Although the trading app said they didn't go through, but they did go through, so that's a good thing. But throughout the day, the app was basically down. You could see the amount of, you could see what you had, you could see the prices of them, you could see how many shares you had, but you couldn't trade. You couldn't see the total amount that you had invested at that main chart at the top of your app. But it is up and running now, so everything's good to go. Yeah. Like I said, Robinhood's a good app. No, they are not paying me, obviously. I only have like 8 subscribers. That'd be kind of dumb to pay someone with that low of an audience to advertise. But, yeah. So, basically, keep an eye out on the markets. watch out for just look out for updates as far as the virus goes, because the virus is still likely going to have some impact on the markets. So yes, we've seen a pump yesterday, but there's still the potential for it to fall again. So just be careful out there. Yeah, I don't think there's really anything else I have to say. As long as there's no major negative catalyst, I see Bitcoin going up from here, but there's still the possibility it could fall, and I don't see it going below 8.2K, 8,000. So with that, that is all I have for you guys today. I will see you all next time.